Hi, I'm Sugatha Menon, and today I'm going to show you how to make Olan. Ever heard of it? I doubt. Olan is a delicacy which is mildly flavored. It can easily pass off as baby food. It has red pumpkin as the main ingredient along with coconut milk. Now, red pumpkin, as we all know, is highly nutritious. It is very rich in vitamin A. It's good for blood pressure, as in it helps in preventing blood pressure and has beta-carotene. So, here's Olan with the goodness of red pumpkin and coconut milk. So, the first step is put the chopped pumpkin into a pan, add green chilies, slit green chilies, add water, just enough to cook the pumpkin, and pumpkin doesn't need a lot of time to cook, and salt. Mix it well and let it cook. Let's take another ingredient, which is the red choli or the red beans, the dried beans, and put it in the cooker for boiling. I've already done it. This is what it should look like. Soft to touch, but should look whole. It's not going to be mashed. So the pumpkin seeds are cooked, they are soft, and now comes the next ingredient, which is the boiled beans. Remember to soak the beans overnight in water before the day you want to make Olan. So this gets mixed well with the pumpkin. It goes best with hot steaming rice, a papadam, and a dash of pickle on the side. When you're mixing the red pumpkin, make sure you're gentle, otherwise you'll end up with broken pieces of the pumpkin. So do it as gently as possible. Olan is also an important part of the sadhya, the traditional feast where an array of dishes are served on the plantain leaf. The Olan makes an appearance there as well. So the pumpkin has blended well with the beans, and it's now time for the magic ingredient, creamy coconut milk. What's unique about this curry is that it's one of the few curries that doesn't need turmeric and no other spices, yet it is so delicious. You can have it by itself like a soup as well, though nobody has it like that. It's usually had with steamed rice, a dash of pickle and papadam. So here we are, the Olan is ready. All I need is now a dash of coconut oil and some fresh curry leaves. It smells divine, the lovely flavor of coconut oil with the curry patta and the pumpkin and the beans. So it's time to serve the Olan for either lunch or dinner. Being so light, you can have it anytime. It's probably a variant of the vegetable stew, but at the same time it's different. The Olan is ready to eat. If you like the recipe, let us know, share the recipe, and do subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you. See you.